and so on. Today, I will tell you how to make a delicious and simple kimchi fried rice. Prepare rice, kimchi, green onion, soy sauce oil, and eggs. First, turn on the stove and put the fry pan on it. Next, put the oil in a fry pan. And chop green onion and kimchi. And to make a green onion oil, put green onion first and stir fry it. When green onion is fried a little, add kimchi and rice in green onion oil and stir fry it. Next step is to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Press 3, break an egg, and mix with the kimchi fried rice. Until it is cooked. Now cooking is done. Serve kimchi fried rice on a pretty dish. Now we can enjoy delicious kimchi fried rice. Happy meal, bye bye. Yummy.